It's me, Muva mentor. Let's chat.
Chatting, they chat.
I received a gift from my RayBan family. Shout out to RayBan. Thank you guys so much. And I want to do the unboxing here with you guys. Here's the box. It sounds like rocks in a box. Oh, get it? Rocks in a box. Can I get RayBan on the rocks? A$AP Rocky is the new creative director for RayBan. I'm nice with it. Do you see what I see? Sun blockers. I love the sun, but you need a pair of shades in the summertime to look cool. The case looks biodegradable, which is really cool. I love the button that says RayBan. But also, I don't have an attachment to the case. Now the cases are really, really nice, so if you lose it, you're like, oh my gosh, you'll be super devastated. I'm good with this one. But can we get into the glasses, honey? Baby, I'm stepping outside. I'm stepping outside with my little planchetta hat on too. My little Mexican hat on. Beautiful, beautifully done. Oval shaped, 90s retro vibe. They look so good, don't they? Oh my God, and I can rock them in so many ways, and they're beautifully shaded, so I could even rock them in the lounge at night, which I'm definitely gonna do. So what we talking about? Shout out to RayBan, thank you guys so much. Shout out to A$AP Rocky for taking over as the creative director, that's so dope. And I'm ready, honey. Muva is ready, bye.